Well, I have received today here Ambassador Guo Haiyan from the People's Republic of China. She's paid a courtesy call on me, just like other ambassadors have done. This is basically in my capacity the leader of the Orange Democratic Movement. We have discussed issues of common interests. As you know that the People's Republic of China has been in this country for as long as Kenya has been independent, and they have financed a number of development projects in our country. There's a very good cordial relationship between Kenya and China within the fields of trade, fields of industrialization, the fields of cultural exchange, and so on. So we have just done a review of this, and it's ongoing discussions between the government of China and the government of Kenya, but I'm not part of the government. Therefore, I'm only concerned about mutual relationship between our two countries. So this is what we have discussed this afternoon. And the minister or the cabinet secretary for finance was also in attendance. Basically, that's all that I have to say. Any questions? None. Thank you very much.